Hello people. So you can see me with an umbrella because it's raining lightly, but I thought एक at least basic training session complete कर लूँ. Nothing is long walk, और if I get a chance I'll run a little bit, but बहुत मतलब heavy plans नहीं है. Okay. और Olympics are going on, so I'm a little, not little, I'm a lot excited. India has so far one medal is confirmed, and Mirabai Chanu has already won, so big year for her. So I think because Olympics are going on, so I was just talking to my friends about Olympics and athletes and things like that. Okay. So बस I think उसी spirit को I just wanted to record, because otherwise I'll just lose thoughts. So because Olympics are going on, so I think it's apt that I kind of record my thoughts and maybe share it with others on peaking, right? So how to peak, as I understand it. Let me cross the road now. हाँ, तो Olympics में ना, the thing is, the first thing that I always notice is कि the stories that of athletes, they are so inspiring. मतलब not just Indian ones. Like Olympics is about pushing the envelope. It's about breaking barriers. So and Olympics is an event वहाँ पे barriers सही में break होते हैं, right? People, I mean, they're athletes, young athletes, older athletes, all sorts of people from all sorts of backgrounds, all sorts of places. So they come together. That is always unique and special. And for me, I mean, I've always been fascinated by the Olympics. मतलब बचपन से ही ना. So हमारे घर में क्या होता था कि Olympics was one thing, कि जब सब लोग बैठ के Olympic ही देखते थे, चाहे you were into sport or not. But when Olympics was live, like when I was growing up, so people would just sit and watch Olympics. They'd watch artistic gymnastics. Nobody who watches artistic gymnastics, but when it is live in the Olympics, you watch it. Okay. और फिर swimming events देखते थे, diving and things of that sort. But whatever was on the national TV, just sit on, because Olympics was a thing to do, right? You just, if Olympics were there, you just, that was a major event, right? So just leave everything and watch. और मेरी अभी भी वही हैबिट है, so that is why I'm almost, मतलब मेरे फ़ोन पे I'm watching on phone, so मेरे फ़ोन पे हमेशा ब्रॉडकास्ट जो है वो लाइव ही रहता है. Like I wake up early, 5:30, वहाँ से इंडियन टाइम में it starts, and then वहाँ से मतलब that is always just live. So because that's who I am. हमेशा से ऐसे ही रहे, और अब तो मतलब पैशन बढ़ गया obviously, right? So the rain has increased slightly. So I mean, I don't know what to actually tell you specifically, but मतलब there are some things that are going on in my mind. I don't know what they are. So I mean, I'm also curious to know what comes out of me. So let's see. But I think it'll be good. See, we can all learn from the Olympics, no? Whether we are an athlete or we are not an athlete, everyone is an athlete, no? In life, everyone is trying to peak. जो भी जिसके levels होते हैं life में, right? So you can always learn from the best, no? So हमारे एथलीट्स का परफॉर्मेंस मिक्स ही रहता है. ऑल्दो वी आर काइंड ऑफ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. द शेयर नंबर ऑफ इवेंट्स वी क्वालिफाइड फॉर I think not really qualified. I mean, this is fencing. Mein we were this was the first time. Sailing mein we have done well, right? Swimming mein also we were able to qualify. I mean, more people, right? I don't know exact details, but I mean, qualification wise we did better, I think. That's my impression. और फिर वहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस वाइज भी ना क्वार्टर फाइनल्स तक तो हम लोग पहुँच रहे हैं. Our people are going to 1/8. See, the thing is, like, these things are kind of brutal. So, like, if you meet world number 1 in like your game of 1 ground of 8, so you get disqualified. So, sport is like that. Sport is, like everything, it is a winner take all field, right? So, it doesn't mean that the athletes are bad or anything. It's just that the top, in any sport, top 1, 2, 3 guys, exceptional, okay? So, frankly speaking, it is their sport, okay? You are just playing it, but the sport is there. Like athletics mein it was Usain Bolt, swimming mein it was Michael Phelps. So, it is their sport. Other people are just, there. अब बाकी sport में क्या होता है, at least knockouts नहीं होते. Just swimming में, there are heats, so if you give best timings, you will, qualify. But if you are in a knockout type game, जैसे archery हो गया या फिर, boxing, Mary Kom got knocked out, right? Or although she was better player, but anyway, so or other people getting knocked out. So those things are kind of beyond your. They are not in your hand. Okay, who you meet? Archery mein that was the problem. We were meeting Korean people, जो कि world number 1 है, right? So you can't do anything about it, na. So it is what it is, right? So expectation wise we have to be honest. Even badminton mein na, Sindhu is a great player, but she got knocked out yesterday by what was the name? I don't remember her name. Zian something. I kind of became a fan, but she was very good. So उसका Facebook मैंने page like कर लिया है, right? My Facebook is now filled mostly with that. Olympic, what happened now? These athletes got this some limelight that they needed, right? So at least whenever the links would come up and everything, na, जैसे cheer for India hashtag में फिर तो I will like pages of all the athletes, because once I want to know how their journey goes from here, how they're preparing, how things are unfolding, right? I like sports, so and I like to go deeper in anything I do. So मैंने कहा चलो, तो I hope other people, उनके definitely social media following बढ़ी होगी और they will get more attention. This time things are different now. The world is more connected. Facebook is there. पहले क्या होता था, they used to compete, इतना social media भी नहीं था, तो फिर शायद इन लोग को इतना नहीं play मिलता होगा, right? So anyway, so this time things would be a bit different. But anyway, the core of the matter is that peaking, right? See, peaking has nothing to do with your circumstances, okay? So because it's like Mount Everest. So Mount Everest doesn't care, na. So it doesn't care if you're a girl or a boy. It doesn't care if you are rich or poor. It doesn't care if you are from South India or North India, or Mount Everest. People come from all over the world, na. They come from Germany, they come from Thailand, they come from all sorts of countries. They come, right? So all that matters is how you scale it. Yeah, whatever जितना भी ऊपर आप जाना चाहते हो. So not everybody has to go to the peak, right? So any peaking process is like that, right? So you have to plan your you can't do much about it actually. Frankly, it's how you're built. So you know your own levels, no, कि मेरे को कितना लाइफ में ऊपर जाना है, right? तो काफ़ी लोगों को नहीं भी जाना होता, and they are not bad people. They just have other priorities, right? I am somebody who likes to peak. I need to peak. Otherwise, my well-being is impacted a lot. So I am built that way, right? So, but let's say there are other people. So they are built differently. So they don't want to peak or anything, right? So that's fine. But they have other priorities. They have they're taking care of people. They're you know, they're busy na, in their relationships and important things, right? All of them, or raising families and things of that sort. Okay, so you have to decide na where you want to, what is the settling point, right? So you don't even decide, it's just natural. Okay, so jo bhi hai na, you should not get impacted by what others are doing or how others are feeling, because I mean, you na, so you know how you're built. So, and frankly, you can't do much about it. The process of apne aap hi, it takes over. You can't. I mean, for example, you know that you want something more structured. So जैसे वो structure से आप lose होगे ना, you will start feeling agitated. वो process अपने आप take over कर लेगा. So life kind of runs on autopilot. I mean, you realize these things once you are, I mean, somewhat deeper in the process. So I have realized it now. I started realizing that I mean, things are almost on autopilot, right? Everybody has the same options, no? But the options that you pick depend on who you are, no? The reality that you see is like how you're built. So एक तो वो होता है, right? Then you have to plan. See, the thing is that you can't go on, you know, what superficial reality of the world is. For example, I mean, you can be, I mean, superficially very wealthy, right? But what is the point of having, you know, for example, I'm passing by a neighborhood which is somewhat wealthy, right? So, but what is the point of, you know, living in big structures if you are not happy, right? Because you should live, you live in a palace, you know, as far as I'm concerned, right? More power to you. It's not about that. It's about you have to go there, na? So you cannot sacrifice who you are, right? Otherwise you'll just be one unhappy person, right? Let's say this building is huge, right? I don't know phone mein kitni clear aa rahi hai, and if you are like the sole resident of this building, and more power to you, right? But it'll make you happy if you live in that, right? But if you change too much, or you know, someone else takes over, I don't know, maybe under peer pressure or, you know, so social pressures, because society is kind of end driven, no? I mean, society, I mean, everyone is society. Usain Bolt is also in society, right? Hamilton is also in society. So you can't say that society is end driven, but most people are end driven, right? So you cannot go by what most people do, right? Not that they are wrong or anything, it's just that their priorities are different. So I'm saying that you don't have to match your priority. See, they are happy, right? But if your well-being suffer, then you will have a problem, right? So do you, right? Do what comes to you naturally, okay? So you'll be happier, right? And let others do what they do, right? So don't impose just because. See, this is something which I have seen, and it kind of irritates me a lot. The moment somebody gets any influence over someone else, na, they just want them to do how you would do it, but that's not true, na? So other people are built differently, right? So let them be them and let you be you, right? That's love, okay? That's friendship, that's relationship, whatever, right? It's like enabling, right? But a lot of times things become about disabling, not enabling, okay? So you have to, everyone has people in their life, na? Friends, family, love, relationships, partners, whatever, right? But you cannot stop anyone in their own journey. At best you can enable, you know, if someone is running, you know, pass them a water bottle. That's your job in life, right? Or pass them an, I don't know, energy drink if you're a good friend, right? That's all you can do. I mean, is that natural like that? And you also should not stop for anyone else, because otherwise you will change, and then people will start feeling that you have changed, so even the relationships would break, right? So yeah, I mean, see, peaking is about, it's more about how you, like, what is meaning in your life, okay? So if you're peaking, right, if you're in that process, so that process will keep excitement alive inside you, right? It will see, when you are younger, no, you want to fill as much as you can, no? So that you can, you know, spend your days happily later on and maybe help other people in their journeys, right? So personally, I mean, I'm kind of happy with what I've learned. I've gone deep in my, you know, skills, worked with people, partnered and everything, right? And of course now I want to, you know, help others also. Or apna to I keep on doing anyway, right? So I want to peak and I want others to help. I want to help others peak, right? I mean, not that, I mean, if they're interested, then it's fine. If they're not interested, then it's okay, no problems, right? But that's how you plan, na? You walk your own journey, and if others want your help, then you help them, right? So, but it's kind of natural, nahi? But the point of peaking is, that's the most important thing, because you cannot get disillusioned in middle of the journey. It might be anything. Maybe you are working in a top, you know, company, like, you know, top IBM, Amazon, Google, companies of that scale, right? But you want to peak there, right, within that structure. So that or maybe you have your own operations or something of that sort, right? So the most important thing is to remember why you want to peak, right? So peaking Olympics is going on, peaking. This is about peaking, because so many athletes are trying to peak. They have trained for 4 years. So one should ask now why they are doing it, right? Not all of them are making tons of money, right? But why are people doing it? See, the thing is that at the very core, na, Olympics, as far as I have understood, is about you know, pushing yourself, you know, reaching your limits. So Olympics is a platform for that, right? Fine, you get medals and, you know, everything, that's fine, but per se it is about you know, celebrating that spirit. Okay, a bunch of athletes, this time around 17,900 something athletes came, and so, but there are like, what, I think 10 billion people, kitne usi ke aaspas, right? 9, 10, 8, whatever. So out of them 17,000 people, 18,000 people came, okay, and out of them 3 win medal in each sport, right? Each what a category, right? So, but the thing is, like, the platform itself is about a bunch of people who you know, reached top levels or peaks in something, right? So that's what the platform is about. Okay, some people are always going to win. I mean, top athletes are top athletes, right? So, but the platform per se is not about that, because I mean, you know damn well na, कि if you're an athlete, you know कि if you are Usain Bolt or you're not Usain Bolt, तो ऐसा कोई surprise नहीं होता वहाँ पे, ठीक है? अब कल सिंधु लॉस्ट है, ऐसा तो नहीं है. सिंधु वाज लाइक वर्ल्ड नंबर 7, शी इज़ आई थिंक वर्ल्ड नंबर 1, तो ऐसा तो है नहीं कि, आई मीन, वी माइट गेट शॉक्ड और एनीथिंग, बट आई मीन रैंकिंग्स में क्लियर है कि, यू नो, हु इज़ अ बेटर प्लेयर, एटलीस्ट एज फार एज दोज रैंकिंग आर कंसर्न. रैंकिंग आर नॉट एवरीथिंग, बट यू नो, तो जो भी है, तो ऐसा कोई सरप्राइजिंग वाली बात है नहीं, राइट? शी प्रॉब्ली वुड हैव नोन ना कि भाई दिस गर्ल is capable of beating me or not, right? Yesterday at least she kind of beat Sindhu comprehensively. Okay, we were like almost like she was almost purely dominant for the most part. Okay, so the rain has increased. Yeah, so the Olympics per se is about that. So being an Olympian means that, right? It means that you have you picked a sport and then you reached your peaks, and then now you know it's a platform for that. Okay, so that in itself is kind of exciting, right? Okay, now people may reward something, people may not reward something, right? That's like up to people. Okay, so that's not even in your hand, and not everyone does everything for like similar reasons. Okay, and I mean those things matter, but not all the time, not always. Okay, so yeah, but I mean it's not just the Olympics, no? Same things apply in all of life. Okay, so the peaking is itself is about pushing yourself, right? Because you are the most important person, right, for you. And if you if you're peaking in anything, right, that shows that you are your spirit is alive. Okay, so one should always try to peak. Okay, because other things are not in your hands. People come, people go, friends change, relationships change, partners change, everything is kind of dynamic, a little too dynamic for me, but it is dynamic, right? Sometimes it is for the best, and sometimes it is not good. Okay, it is what it is. But if you are peaking, at least that bit you have under your own control. Okay, so that will keep you filled with excitement. Okay, but you have to, I mean, scale your peaks, fly your flight. So like if you like structured environments, right, so you do structured environment, and then you jitna bhi aapka peak ho, you try to, I mean try to do that. Why? Because outcomes is not, I mean, when you're doing it, it's not about the outcome, it's about, I mean, what else are you going to do? I mean, you can either get bored or you can be excited, right? So if you're peaking, life is meaning, right? Philosophically, that's what it means in my view. Okay, so जब तक वो है ठीक, फिर तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है ना, मतलब, right? So मतलब you're peaking, you're happy, right? And life is long. Like जैसे हम we pass out from what school in, I mean when I say school I mean like class 9, 10, things of that sort. कि उसके बाद थोड़ा सा technical ज़्यादा होता है, तो I mean so the core areas when you're 14, 15, उसके बाद you have like good 60 odd years to live. So I mean imagine a life जहाँ पे you're kind of stale. So फिर that won't be fun, no? I mean that's a long period to not have fun. That's what I'm saying. So, and it depends, like, because I know people, personally my own peaks are very high naturally, right? So उसके लिए obviously my path has been very different from everybody else. I mean I can't help it, right? So it is what it is, right? So peaks are high, so walk is solitary, and मतलब you have to go deeper in your own fields, right? I enjoy that. So for me that is the way. Okay, I have known people जो कि मतलब there are other people जैसे maybe they're operators or something, right? But see, thing is, okay, so let's say you have operations and you're doing well, maybe you're kind of north of, say, in profits you're north of $1 million, or maybe, so socially it will look big, but as far as markets are concerned, I know it is still minuscule, right? So then what, right? You can kind of stick to your own thing, do it, okay? And this applies to everyone, not just for like 1 million guy or $10 million per year guy. It's not about that, right? Or anybody, right? Pay doesn't matter here, na? So think about pays, like if you're a shareholder in a company, you get paid more, right? If you're a salaried employee, you get paid wages, right? So I'm not saying numbers, man, right? So depending on appetite or aptitude, and I mean whatever you want, right? If you want to take leads, I mean you're going to get paid more, right? That's just life, right? If you're autonomous, like to build things, you get paid more, right? If you like structured environments and stability, you get paid differently, right? good, right? Which is good because priorities are different. So I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about that's just basic financial structure, right? Okay, so I'm talking about the point, the philosophical point, the meaning of it, right? So yeah, so if you have something, right, and you kind of stop, okay, because cash flows are good, right? But then what are you going to do, right? Typically I've been on the other side of money. I mean, I've worked with people, I mean, who have money, okay. So then problems are different. So I mean, okay, fine, I mean, once you have cash flows, so and you're kind of stable, now what, right? So by cash flow I mean any cash flow, okay. So something is in my nose, okay. So you try to, I don't know, you try to peak, you try to do something else, ठीक है. But यहाँ पे my thinking comes into play. So that's something else ना, it has to be exciting. अगर exciting नहीं है तो फिर what will happen ना, you will not be truly happy, okay, because I mean things become sedentary. That's not life, okay. Life is about motion, life is about knowing how far you can go, okay. So that will keep you illuminated. So that's what you want, na. So once you're kind of set making $1 million or $2 million per year, then what? कुछ नहीं, you get bored, cash flows are coming in, I mean, everyone likes you, you feel happy, life is good, okay. You enjoy it for a few years, then what? Then you try to do something else. But यहाँ पे the question is कि if you do something that you have already done, like most people do, right? So that's why India is not high up in the economic box because यहाँ पे we value repetition a lot, okay. जैसे I mean you have done something, so next thing should be something that I mean it has to somewhat new, na, somewhat in the newer territory also, and it also has to take from what you know. I mean it has to be I'm not saying it has to be very risky or anything, no, it's not about that. It's about, I mean you can just invest in some kind of markets, na, so you'll make passive money, and that is not a bad option. Like everything is justified in depending on the circumstances and everything, right? It's not about that. It's about why, okay. So try to do something which is a little bit more on the higher levels, higher spectrum. So if you are running something, right, maybe you want to, if you are, let's say tier 3 supplier, maybe you want to be tier 2 supplier, right, or maybe you want to be tier 1, okay, why not? So see, this is not, I'm not saying just in business, right, in any field. Maybe you're a dancer, right, so you want to, once you reach your peaks, na, so there should be that natural desire ki, I'm not saying you have to go very high or very different, it's not about, but if you don't add something, just for example if you're a singer और एक गाना सीख लिया वही आप गा रहे हो, तो ठीक है, मतलब you become a you're a cash flow rich entity, fine, and that has a place, of course, so you need that, okay. But कुछ नया नहीं करोगे तो बोर हो जाओगे, right? So so you'll have things but you'll not be very excited, or at least you'll become boring to talk to, or worst thing is you'll attract people who are boring. So I mean if you are boring, the company that you have is boring, that sort of keeps you more boring right? But if you're exciting, so the company that you have is also exciting, so वो मतलब that has boosting effects. So, and listen, whatever it is, you don't want to be called boring by anybody, no. So वो I think is the point, ठीक है. And in that, I mean, you do much better, na, anyway. So that's the point for me. And like I said, like peaks don't care, na, who you are, where you come from. And peaks are essentially about, you know, how much deep you go on something, and how core is that something, and how much time you give to it, right? तो जो भी आपके टैलेंट्स हो, जैसे मतलब और जितनी भी आपकी डेप्थ हो, so let's say you like 3 or 4 things, right? And जिसमें आप whatever depths you want to pursue, so if you keep on doing it, if you stop doing it, right, through whatever reasons, okay, let's take the extreme like reason that okay, you desperately need money. You may need money and go and get it, okay, but that hasn't changed the fact that your peaking wala process will stop, okay, right? So like any, you know, kind of expedition, you have to, for example, if you're building jets, so what do you think कि एक दिन बन जाएगा, right? Or okay, how do you build a jet? Okay, so I've kind of spent a decade, you know, trying to find answers to this question. More than a decade actually, right? How do you build a jet? So for example, how do you build a jet? Should you build a jet? I mean, listen, you have to build something, okay, because otherwise life will just, I mean, that's just human process, okay. So because you have to do something, it might as well be, you know, of your levels, right? Basic, okay. So if it is of your levels, then I mean, you want to do as best as you can, because I mean, you're investing a lot of time to it, right? Work takes, I don't even call it work, I mean, it's just expression of who you are, right? So I'll just call it expression, okay? So these creative expressions, right? So these creative expressions, they take a lot of time, right? You are mostly solo by yourself. You might have partners, you might have other people also, right? Girlfriend or boyfriend, other, whatever, however you structure those arrangements. I won't get into all that, okay? So, but most of the time you're just talking to people, na? Matlab, they are them, you're you, and you're talking. You know, having company feels good, but it doesn't have depth, okay? So even in them, I think you want depth, okay? Because you don't want to rub shoulders with anybody, na? So people have this tendency कि होता क्या है कि, I'll be blunt, जो होते हैं ना dull minds होते हैं, they are okay with मतलब creature comforts alone, okay? बस ठीक है, you know, rubbing shoulders हो गया, और बाकी अपना, I mean, if you're empty, you're dull, तो क्या करोगे, मतलब watch TV, you have nothing to contribute, so what are you going to talk about, right, to other people? So kind of people you attract is also something like that, but that is also not true. होता क्या है कि if you meet somebody who's very dull, so they will pretend that they are, I mean, kind of, you know, top level. So they kind of, that's been my experience, they kind of, you know, attracting people who themselves are very good, so it's actually a cost for them, the other people, right? These people are just in consumption, so उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, they don't think about others. ऐसा होता है, okay? So what was I saying? Before this, कि you know, they attract dull people, नहीं bright people. इससे पहले क्या बोला? हाँ? बहुत दूर है भाई. यार आगे जा, कट आएगा लास्ट में. वहाँ से 4-5 किलोमीटर आगे जा, लेफ्ट नहीं, राइट, सॉरी, लेफ्ट राइट में गेट कंफ्यूज ना. ओके, हाँ, पूछ लेना फिर भी, ठीक है? ओके. आई वॉज डीप इन समथिंग, आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट, ठीक है? एक मिनट, लेट मी सी द टाइम, क्योंकि आई हैव टू ब्रेक द वीडियो ना. Oh, I think I should break the video now, that will get too long, and then second part I'll record, okay?